Hey traders, a quick one on natural gas. Today I'm gonna go through gold as well. So before I start my video, if you guys want to receive a commodity signals and a forex signals as well, you can join one of my partner brokers. Minimum of $500 deposits. Once you do that, I will start sending you forex weekly forex support where I send you the report with these zones with the mark support and resistance from where you can take your entries accordingly. Along with that, I will send you the commodity trade signals as well once you get an entry confirmation. So for that, just join my partner broker. If not, that's totally cool. Just hit a like and subscribe button for me so that you can receive a daily analysis like this every single day. So as you can see, we got a nice big impulsive move from natural gas, and that would have been a nice winning trade if you look at my Fibonacci retracement right here. And as you can see, the market came back down, retest 50% retracement, and market shoots up straight to our next level of resistance. And by the way, the next level of resistance is 6.387 and it goes up to 6.603. That's on Owanda. I will check on the other platform as well. So right now the market is now hit our level of resistance, almost hit our level of resistance. And if you look at 1 hour time frame, right here the market is now pushing down, and if we get an engulfing candle right here which engulfs the previous candle, fully engulf the previous candle, and then we can take our targets accordingly. We can place our short position right here, take 1 ATR of this candle above and 1 ATR above to take short trades only. And if we do not get any sort of engulfing candle here, we can still get a push up between this zone, in this zone, and we can get an engulfing entry right here or a double top sort of move from this zone. Let me show you on capital.com. So here you can see on capital.com on 4 hour time frame, that would have been a winning trade as well with our Fibonacci retracement right here. We got a 50% touch of 50% with an engulfing candle, and market straight hit over take profit right here with this wick. So what to expect next from gas? As you can see on capital.com, we do not have enough data to check the next level of resistance. If you look back here, the furthest we can get is up to 2017, and after that we do not have any data above that. So for that, you can check on the other platform. I'm sure you guys have this platform on your trading view as well, which is currency.com. I don't normally use that, but looking at the resistance level on a daily time frame, if you look here, we have got a next level of resistance right here that has acted as a support and a resistance both right here, and we already got a hit of this resistance zone, and we are now getting a nice engulfing candle. If you can see, if this candle closes here, we can take a target 1 ATR below right here and 1 ATR above, and this zone you can mark on your platform, which is 6.405. This is the next level of resistance. And let's say if we do not get a close of this candle, if we get a close above this green candle and we do not get any sort of engulfing candle, we can still move up and get an entry condition region from this zone. So I will look for a sell trades for now until the market hit 50 EMA, from where I will look for long trades again unless we break below 50 EMA. Let's quickly check gold. So gold is now below 50 EMA, and as you can see, we have nice engulfing candle right here on 1 hour time frame, and if you look on 4 hour time frame, we get this engulfing candle right here as well. So I still expect market to hit our green zone right here, which is 1907 1908, and it goes down to 19 1896, from where I will look for buy trades. This is our buying zone only, so keep an eye on both zones. If you have a hit of this pink zone, I will look for sell trades. So that's all for now, guys. Any questions, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. I hope you trade green. Till then, take care.